please take 5 seconds of your time to subscribe for me. Okay, I'm pleading with you. Just take 5 seconds of your time to subscribe for me. Thank you very much. Now let's get into the video. For here you can see I was setting up the charts for the day. I was drawing out my POIs where I'm expecting price to get to, and saving some screenshots for us to continue trading. So let's go. You be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, talk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets. Oh, I can play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook. Okay, so an update on the trade. You can see price has mitigated the other block that we marked. That means we are likely to be, I don't know, it can be correct, it can be wrong, okay, but since it's respected the other block and it has targeting, I entered a bit earlier. Okay, I entered around this area. So instead of I deleted the buy limit, so I didn't want to go in with all the lot size. So I'll look for another entry around this area, this fair value gap. I'm looking to enter another position. So the first position was around 0.3% of the account, not even half of the account. So yes, maybe I'll add the 0.2 to get half of our risk. So let's do that. An update on the trade so far. We've consolidated for a while now. You can see Euro USD has been consolidating. I think it's because of the news we have around 2 o'clock. So you can see it has really consolidated over here. Yeah, it's almost hits the stop loss. You can see where it got. It's left it, I think, two pips or something. But one of the trade hit stop. Yeah, I spread the risk across, so I opened 3 positions with, I think, 0.2 risk on each, and the third one is, I think, 0.1. so the 3 should amount to 0.5, but one of them got stopped out. So when we broke this one, when we closed above this candle, I added another position so that it will amount to my 0.5 risk I'm taking on the trade, and I've moved my stop loss to here, 1.08023, because of this break of structure. So if price should come back, it should respect this other block. There's no imbalance, so I'm not expecting price to come back, but if it should come, yes, we are safe. So that is what we have on the trade so far. So let me see how much we are floating. We are around 33. Yes, $33. $41, sorry, around $41. So we have another buy limit on GJ, but it has not been triggered yet. We have one buy limit on gold. If we are tagged in, that will be our trade for the day. If we don't get tagged in before the news, you can see I'm entering from this fair value gap. So let's see if we
get triggered. Let me see how much am I risking. 17. I'm risking $18. Okay, on this trade. So let's see if we are able to get tagging and respect this order block and get any, let's say, 5 minutes breakup structure. I'll enter more. I think I'll place the trade. Why am I taking the trade? You can see there is no, okay, there is one imbalance here, but it looks like price is very efficient until we got here. So let's leave it. As we can see, we are almost at TP, and yeah, let me move price to break even. Yeah, so we are moving our stop loss to break even. Then we leave the markets to do whatever it wants to do. So on gold to, we have one position, then we are at buy limits around this area to get us another position. So if we get triggered, we are risking $50 on gold, and yes, so I think I'll close the GG trade because I don't like, or I'll enter from market order because I don't like how it's behaving. I'm expecting it to come and fill this order block so that I'll be tagged in this order block. Okay, but this fair value gap, but it looks like it is not coming there. So let's see. We have only 2 trades to take. This one and probably GJ. But if GJ doesn't give us the entry, we would forget and move. Okay. So I'll update you on what happened. Hello. So we are done for the day. We have to do our journaling. And review our trades for today. We took 2 trades today, Euro USD and gold, and I think 1 trade on GBP USD. I'm not sure that trade was triggered. Okay, we took 1 trade to GJ. For the Euro trade, we can see there's the analysis. Let's go through why we took this trade. So I've been bearish on GJ since yesterday, and today, so yesterday after the trade, when I analyzed the chart again, we have this imbalance here that it's likely to be filled before we go up. So you can see from yesterday's video, I was expecting price to come here and then we sell off, but it didn't work like that. It has been consolidating since yesterday. You can see price has not really made any big move, so we are still waiting. We are just taking some scalps to see till we we are just taking some scalps, so we are really ready to go up. So when we go to the 15 minutes time frame, this is where we took the trade. We have some liquidity here, and when the market opened, this is the Asian section. So this is what's really happening in the Asian section. So when I woke up around I came to the chat. I woke up around 4. We did our monk mode protocol with which I didn't record, so I can't post that one today. It's same thing. You wake up, you meditate. After the meditation, you read our Bible, you pray, and read some pages of a book. So we are still reading The Disciplined Trader. We want to finish it in this month. That's what we are reading so far. So after reading, we do our push-ups, 30 to 50. Today we went to 35. Yes, 35. Today we did 35. And what happened? We drink water, we go wash our face, we do our facial routine, our skin care routine, make sure our body too is looking good. After that, we come to the chat, we check the news, we know that this is what's going to happen in the day. Today we had only one news. Let me check. Yeah, we have a news on odd, that is 2 p.m. and it didn't really affect the market. So that is what we do. Then we come to the chart. So when we came to the chart, this is what was happening. Price had taken Asian low. So based on the strategy, I'm expecting price to take the high. So, and there is this demand zone. So for you that know that I trade SMC, you can see there is this imbalance here. There is this other block that broke this structure. So we are likely to react from it when price gets here. So when we woke up, price was coming to our other block, and when it got mitigated, we went to the 1 minute time frame. We were looking for entries in the 1 minute time frame, and we got an entry. So the 1 minute time frame, we wait for change of character, then we take our trade. So let's mark out there. So we have this breakout structure, we have this change of character. So I use candle closures for my change of character, but this is not a change of character. This area is not a change of character because the candle didn't close above the line. So this will be our change of character. For this being our change of character, that means our other block is this one. This one exactly. So we waited when price came, it got mitigated, we didn't enter, we waited for a reaction, then I took the trade around this area. I think I took the trade around here. Yeah, when it came to mitigate, I took the trade around here, and you see price consolidated for so long. Today I was able to give you updates on the trade. Price consolidated for so long before it gave us some momentum. So our main aim was to take out this Asian high, but it wasn't taken. You can see price almost took it out and it came down. So today to 1:2.3 something before, and price came down. So we took our first profits yeah, we closed our first profits. I gave you an update on that, and the rest was at break even. So we were hit at break even, and we're out of the market. Today I wasn't really active on the charts, so I couldn't take any other trade on Euro USD. So that is what happened that's what happened today. So the next zone will be this area. This is where maybe tomorrow we are likely to get trade from. You can see there's this imbalance here that I've been expecting price to come and fill this long. So when tomorrow, if God permits, price comes down, take some liquidity and give us an entry, we'll buy, and probably we'll get to where we want to get, or wherever price takes us to. So that's what we are waiting for. So let's analyze the GJ trade we took today. So on GJ, what happened? Okay, so on GJ, after price had given us this reaction, it closed above this fair value gap. I didn't respect it, so it created this fair value gap for me. So this is an inverse fair value gap. I will talk about that later. So this was another block that price reacted from. So when it came here, I marked out this fair value gap, then this other block for our entry, and as you can see, price came and took us out straight forward. So we lost trade on this one, but I think it was $19, 0.2%. It wasn't even 0.5%, but that is what happened. I followed my rule. You understand? Asian liquidity has been taken. We tap in an old other block, and we had this change of character. So I was waiting for price to come. Then it is what it is. Okay. So that is what's happened on GJ. So let's go to gold. Took another trade on gold. Gold. Took another trade on gold. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this is to make me accountable, so that I know that what I'm doing, I'm really following my plan. Because yesterday, the mistakes we did yesterday really helped me today to focus on my plan and really follow the plan. So that's what happened. So we are doing this series to help us follow our plan and make us accountable. So this is what's happened on the gold trade. So gold has been bullish for this long while. Yesterday we took this trade. Is it this one? Is either this one or this one? So yesterday we took one trade on gold. We didn't take the trade on gold, but we did a setup on gold. So the same setup happened today. Today we were expecting gold to take out this Asian low, but it didn't take out the Asian low. It gave us this reaction. So when we got this reaction, I placed my buy limit here. Let me show you on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I didn't enter the trade on the 1 hour time frame, but I want to show you something. So this is what happened. Price came give us this change of character, and this was our entry. But I entered around this area. Placed another buy limit. You can see I've marked out this red. So this was another buy limit, and price tagged us in, give us some profits, and I placed so when it broke this structure, I moved my stop loss to, I think, around this area. So I was risking a very minimal, I think $19 or something. So yes, around what happened? Is it the news? I'm not sure it's the news, because I was stopped out before the news. I don't know what really happened, but I wanted to take a nap. When I got up, I saw this big, see this reaction, this big 30 minutes candles took us out, and one was at break even and one was just below this candle, so it was around $19. So I woke up to see us stopped out. Okay, so that is what happened today. Today we were really not active. We took 3 trades. One hit first TP, the other ones were closed. The Euro USD were closed at break even. The GJ took us out. The gold to one hit break even, one took us out. So we are done for today. We are still in drawdown around 1 point something percent, 1.2 or 1%. So maybe tomorrow we'll get a good trade that will make us recover our losses. Alright. That is what's happening to this month two. We are really trying to come up with this series so that will make us accountable to also learn from whatever you have to do to improve yourself as a trader. Okay. For the moment, it is just for self-improvement to better the strategy that I'm working on. But as I'm sharing whatever is happening on this channel, you learn a lot and know how to approach it, learn from my mistakes, and build a very good strategy that will make you money in the market. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here today. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Please like this video and watch the other videos to know how I really make money in the market. Thank you very much, and see you next time.